Hello, welcome back to our channel. Kitty here. For today's video, we will be unboxing this Hello Kitty and Friends LootCrate subscription box. LootCrate is a subscription box company that specializes in different character or different themed subscription boxes. The box we will be opening today is a Hello Kitty and Friends theme. You can grab your own subscription box at their website. We will be leaving a link in the description. Let's get right into it. Okay, now that we've got this box open, first thing I notice is that it says here happiness formula. That is the theme of this month's LootCrate. So I think it's like a sort of science theme, and we can see here from the beakers and such. So yeah, I'm really excited. Let's see, the first item we should open, probably this one. I'm gonna go ahead and open it because it's gonna be really noisy, and I'll be right back. Okay, so our first item is a pretty big item. It looks like it's going to be a tote bag. Oh yeah, definitely. Well, first let's look at the tag. The tag here, you can see them in their little science lab coats with their little beakers. So cute. And right in the front here, we see cinema roll. We see like a little note, and it says, "You x me equals happiness to the second power." That is so cute. Okay, let's get this open. Oh wow, and the front print here we have Pom Pom Purin with some little vials. We have Hello Kitty with the little heart-shaped beaker, and we have Melody and her little coat. This is so cute. We have the books here. Oh, this is adorable. I absolutely love this. I feel like this would be really cute if you were some sort of like science major or anything like biology or any sort of like a medicine field or something. You can carry your books in here. I would love that. That is so cute, and the purple color is perfect. So yeah, that was the first item. We'll put that aside, and oh my goodness, is that a plush? It is. It's a little cinema roll. Okay, I'm gonna get this plastic off. Oh my goodness, he is so soft. So this doesn't really seem to be any sort of science themed at all. It's just a cute little cinema roll clip for your bag, and he's so cute. I'm very happy with this. Oh wow, like I said, he's really soft, and I love his little tail. Okay, there's a few more items down here. I think I'll start with this one. Okay, so I thought that these were two different items, but it's together, and it's a pen and sticker set. So here's the pen, here's the sticker set. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So here are the stickers. They're kind of like a 3D-ish, like they're popped up. It says happiness formula here. So cute. You could decorate your laptop or anything with these. And we have Kiki Lala, Karopi, a lot of the characters here. So that's really nice. And the pen is a really thick pen, and my goodness, this is a lot of color options. So that's really fun. I think you would just pull down here. Yeah, and then if you want a different color, maybe you push it back up. Okay, so when you pull them down here, down, to get it to pop back up, you would twist it up here. Like that. Oh, this is so cute. I love how the whole theme, like now you've got a bunch of items that are the same theme. You can keep these in your book bag, and it would just be so cute. Next item is, I think I'm going to go for that one there, and we'll leave the box to last. Let's see what that is. Small gift, big smile equals happiness. I love their little equations. So this is probably going to be a notebook. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Yeah, so this is like a grid style notebook with pink paper and Hello Kitty. How cute is that? This would make the cutest notes. Even if you were like journaling or scrapbooking, you could write a cute message or a cute note here. Pull it out, put the double-sided sticky tape, and stick this into your journal or your planner or something, and I think it would be so cute. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. And so here you have this little pastel theme with all of the little science characters. And you can write here, this book belongs to. This is way cute. I'm really happy with this one. Let's see what's here. Okay, so this is happiness formula. It's a postcard. I love all of the little details, the little levers there, the little equations on the board. They put a lot of detail into this. I really love that. Oh, so here you'll see everything that's in the Loot Crate box. Oh, this is giving it away. What's in here? Okay, so first we have the tote bag. Store your supplies on the go with your favorite Samuel friends. Then the pen and sticker set. The cinema roll mini plush. Graph paper notebook. And yeah, all of these items are exclusive to Loot Crate, so you will not find any of these Hello Kitty items anywhere else but in this Loot Crate, which I think is really amazing. So yeah, let's just open this up. So I went ahead and moved the big box out of the way so we can get a better look at this. Hello Kitty and New Friends. It says right here, flask glassware set. The box has a really cute design on it. And yeah, let's get right into it. So here they are, glassware set. Let's pull them right out. So here they are. And so this is a flask glassware set, and I'm not sure, please don't laugh at me, but I'm not sure if you're supposed to use these for science or if you can use them for like drinks or something. I'm not sure. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. But I might use these for like my iced coffee or something. This looks really cool. So this one is Hello Kitty, and it's a nice like lilac color, and this is cinema roll, and it's blue. And I like that it has the measurements on the side. I hope they're accurate. Let's see. UX me equals happiness. So cute. So yeah, I'm not sure what measurements these are because it doesn't say. Probably milliliters or something. So this is actually our second video, Loot Crate Samuel box unboxing video. And I really cannot decide which one is my favorite. At first I was going to say this one, but the other one was so cute as well. So if you haven't seen that one, go ahead, we'll link it so you can go watch that one, and you will let us know in the comments which one was your favorite, because honestly I cannot decide. They're both so cute and I'm super excited for the next one. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Bye!